Welcome to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media.
Top New Collection Camcorders Review 2025.
Number 4.
Capture hands-free video with the wearable HD 1080p mini glasses camera. Perfect for outdoor activities, driving, and personal security. This discreet DVR camcorder records high-quality footage on the go. Lightweight and portable, it offers reliable surveillance and video recording without attracting attention. Ideal for sports, travel, and everyday use.
Number 3.
Clear video quality. Typical security cameras often produce grainy or fuzzy video input, which undermines the purpose of capturing important details. In the event of an intrusion, always producing clear and highly detailed images. Can also transmit bright images from dark areas or dark corners. Monitoring anytime, anywhere. Use the remote viewing feature of our camera to stay in sync with your loved ones at home. When connected to Wi-Fi, you can watch live video on your smartphone or desktop.
Number 2.
The Spy Clock camera combines functionality and security with 1080p HD resolution for crisp video quality. Its wireless Wi-Fi connectivity allows real-time remote viewing from anywhere. Equipped with 5M infrared night vision, it ensures clear footage even in low light conditions. Ideal for discreet home or office surveillance without drawing attention.
Number 1.
This HD 1080p DIY portable 4K Wi-Fi mini camera offers discreet surveillance with motion detection, loop recording, and remote viewing via P2P wireless. Compact and battery powered, it's perfect for home, office, or travel security. Easily hidden, delivers clear video and supports real-time monitoring through your smartphone or tablet.
Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Thanks for watching.